If that is the case, and this bill is part and parcel with that, or part of the process, we need to hear how do we intend to police that 55,000 square kilometers. Because as I mentioned, that is way more than the landmass of Barbados, which is only 424 square kilometers. So we're now looking at 55,000 square kilometers. And I think that we need to have that very real conversation. What are the practical steps that we will take in terms of being able to adequately police that?
Based on this current legislation, how does it pair with the physical development plan? How does this piece of legislation empower those communities or members of the community in an area like 6 Mins in light of the development of the Pendry Hotel that is going to be their neighbor? How does this give life and breath to their rights as cultural practitioners, the holders of the untold stories, that intangible heritage of the 6 Mins community, in light of how the development that is currently ongoing and any future development puts at risk that heritage?